Hi, welcome to this, I want to say quick video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do square wave voltammetry on a, I've got a screen printed electrode. I've put one of these electrodes into the potentiostat here. I've put a drop of 5 millimolar ferricyanide onto the electrode just here, just pipetted it on, and I'm going to do square wave voltammetry. So I've got my my app here for my SenseItAll. I'm just going to give this a name so I can essentially find it. I'll put it, and then I'm just going to go continue. So these are my settings. Now this is ferricyanide. So I'm starting at minus 200 millivolts and I'm scanning up to 600 millivolts. Voltage steps 1 millivolt, current range 100 microamps, amplitude 40 millivolts. And I'm going to start the measurement now. And here it goes. Not super exciting, but square wave voltammetry has a kind of reputation for being it can essentially subtract the charging current. So linear sweep voltammetry and cyclic voltammetry, you can kind of say that they have both what's called a Faradaic component and a non-Faradaic component, and square wave voltammetry, for example, is quite good at getting rid of the non-Faradaic component. So it says upload complete at this point. So what I want to do is I just want to share a screen with you. So I should go to here. I will go refresh, and I can see my 101 data here. So I can then go up there and have a quick look. There we are. So we've got a really nice oxidation peak, even though I put ferricyanide on there, because I started off at minus 200 millivolts. I'm effectively turning the ferricyanide into ferrocyanide and then reoxidizing it, and we get this really nice peak. I just want to kind of contrast that now with cyclic voltammetry. I should really contrast it actually with linear sweep voltammetry, I realize, but let me do cyclic voltammetry, because square wave voltammetry, I think the fairer comparison is actually with linear sweep voltammetry. I do actually have linear sweep voltammetry as an option, but I mentally set up to do cyclic voltammetry, so I will do cyclic voltammetry. Yeah, so I've gone into cyclic voltammetry mode. I'm going to call this. I will actually call this CV, cyclic voltammetry 101. I'm just going to check my settings, so I'll go continue. I'll start at minus 200 millivolts. I'll go to 600 millivolts. I'll do a scan rate of 100 millivolts, and which is quite fast, by the way. And I'll just do a current range of 100, and we will just do that. I think I just put repeats of 3 on, which I really didn't want to do. I wanted to just put a repeat of let's say 1 on. So I'm actually going to do this 3 times, but you can essentially see the first kind of oxidation peak appearing now the reduction. I really should have just done 1 scan rate, but anyway, that said, it's going to do essentially all 3 of them, and just let it do its quick run. So I'm just doing this just to kind of give you a comparison between square wave voltammetry and cyclic voltammetry. I think if we're doing quick, I would say quick and easy work, we'll use cyclic voltammetry. And then when we're trying to do kind of more analytical work, then we may actually go to square wave voltammetry. The nice thing about square wave voltammetry, right, so the upload is now complete. So I'll go back to the screen. So same solution, same electrode. This is what the square wave voltammetry looks like. I didn't quite do the cyclic voltammetry the way I really intended to do it, but no big deal. And here it is, because I actually ended up doing 3 scans. I should really only done 1, and so I have my my cyclic voltammetry. As I say, a fairer comparison would have actually been linear sweep voltammetry. Anyway, as you saw there, the SenseItAll Potentiostat is really quick and easy to set up, really quick and easy to go between these 2 methodologies, and we can do, cyclic voltammetry and square wave voltammetry and linear sweep voltammetry and impedance spectroscopy and amperometry. If you have any questions regarding SenseItAll, and you can also see it's got a very powerful back end, because it's actually cloud enabled and all the data just immediately goes to the cloud. Okay, got any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Okay, thanks very much.